बॉलीवुड में फिटनेस की बात करें तो सबसे पहला नाम आता है जॉन इब्राहिम का, और जॉन हमारे साथ है यहाँ पर। यश बिरला भी हमारे साथ है। स्पेशल मोमेंट है जॉन, यू जस्ट लॉन्च्ड यश फर्स्ट DVD, fitness DVD, 100% living. Tell us about that.
Well, I just saw the DVD today, and I think it's a fabulous DVD. It doesn't only speak about Yash's workouts, but his way of living. And I think it's so commendable that he lives such a beautiful and disciplined lifestyle. And of course, this man has got a fantastic body.
That coming from John, I'm sure it's special.
Thoroughly flattered, and I think it's more praises than I deserve. As I said earlier, he's like an icon of 100% living, whether it's fitness, a good physique or whatever. We really look up to him, admire him.
मतलब पूरी इंडस्ट्री को पता है आप हमेशा से फिटनेस में रहे हैं, एंड दोस्ताना के बाद जो आपने अपना बॉडी शो ऑफ किया है सारे फैंस के लिए, उसके बाद तो सबको, आपके फैंस को भी पता चल गया आप कितने फिट रहते हैं। मगर आपने इनकी DVD देखने के बाद आपको लगा कि आप इतने फिट नहीं हैं।
जी, इनके लेवल तक पहुंचना
He's laughing, that's what he's saying.
नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूँ, इनके लेवल तक पहुंचना बहुत मुश्किल है।
You've also bought a sprawling place for your own gym. So any collaboration or anything when you just bought it, but any plans? How is it going? क्या सोचा अभी?
Gee, it'll take a year or so. Of course, after watching this DVD, I think Yash and me are going to have a longer conversation about it.
मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था, अभी हाल ही में आपने कहा था कि मैं मरूंगा और जीऊंगा 6-pack abs में.
Yeah. No, I joke and I tell everybody that you should live and die with a 6-pack. So.
And John is living up to that.
I think John and Yash are living up to that now.
इतनी सारी fitness series and yoga series we see. Yash has also launched a DVD today. John की कब सीरीज आ रही है, या और प्रेशर होगा कि John की DVD आएगी तो it has to be really different?
No, I've never really honestly thought of a fitness DVD at this point of time. मैंने सोचा नहीं है. When I get into peak shape, probably I'll think of it. Lekin at this point of time, I've definitely not thought of it. That's why I was so excited when Yash was launching his DVD, and I came running to just be a part of this thing.
I think when his DVD gets launched, all the other DVDs will go off the shelf. There'll be no place for them. They'll all be taken.
Thank you so much for talking to us.